snake pong. You're making stuff.
There is one, I swear it. I saw it.
Where'd it go? Like in here? Or did you
Along
see
this,
its tail?
its tail came out right closer. No, to in the middle of the bush. Middle of, yeah, its tail went in there,
Went in here.
but it was headed that way. Oh my god. Oh my god. Throw up.
I'm gonna throw up.
Stop.
You're making stuff.
I'm not. There was a snake in it.
See it?
No.
I wonder if it's got a hole like under the rocks. Like down. Well, pretty sure it's not a rattlesnake. 'Cause if I was, but it still could be like a sidewinder or something. It's probably just a gopher snake. Baby, I'm not. I believe you. I just don't see it.
Do you believe me?
Yes, I do. You see it when I pick up?
I haven't seen it. Its tail was like,
Going in that way?
yeah, but it was like the, I don't know, the color of the lantana stalks. So it was like sandy, so it's gonna be really hard to see.
How big was the tail?
It was just the end. I don't know. There's no way to know.
I know it's gonna go right through my legs. Scare the crap out of me. You know that, right? You scared me! Jeez!